some more exponential problems. It is just a different kind of exponential problems. First one, convert the following numbers to scientific notation. That's the set here. Now first problem is 53,000. How are we going to convert this into a scientific notation? Like this. For every 0 raises 10 to the power 1. So 5.3 times 10 to the power 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to put the decimal here. That's what we did. So this is the right answer. The next question is 5, 7, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. How do we write this? We have 9 zeros here. If you put 2 decimal points here, the decimal point here, so 9 plus 2, 11. So the answer is 5.72 times 10 to the power 11. This is the answer. And the next question is 0.00068. How am I going to solve this one? In order to move it closer to the decimal point, we need to raise 10 to the power negative 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6.8 times 10 to the power negative 4 is the right answer. Next question is 0.0000000, another 4 more, 914. So in order to move this decimal point, here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 9.14 times 10 to the power negative 8. That's the right answer. Now the last problem, 0.0003142. Now how are we going to solve this one? Is move the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3.142 times 10 to the power negative 5. This is the right answer. This is converting numbers to scientific notation. Now convert the numbers into ordinary decimal notation. That's the second set in this set. First problem is 6.4 times 10 to the power 3. Now that will become 6400, because in order to move the decimal point 1, we need to raise 2. So 1, 2, 3. So this is the way we do it. This is the right answer. B. 3.7 times 10 to the power 5. This one 370,000. This is the right answer. This one is a comma. Now the next question, 2.735 times 10 to the power 7. Now how to answer this one? 27, 35, 0, 0, 0, 0. because in order to move one decimal to the right side, we need to decrease one by one here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is the way 7 10 to the power 7 becomes big. Had it been negative 10 to the power, had it been 10 to the power negative 7, the decimal point would need to be moved to the left side, not to the right side. That makes sense, I hope. So problem D. Now 5.4 times 10 to the power negative 6. Now the decimal place will move to the left side, as I said before. 0.6 zeros before the 5 total. So 2 3 4 5 6 zeros. 5 4. Now this is the right answer. Now next problem E. 9.778 times 10 to the power negative 9. Now the decimal will move to the left side, as I said before. 0 point total 9 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 7 7 8. This is the right answer. Now we're gonna find the following sums. Add them up. Add addition problems. These are addition problems. 3.2 times 10 to the power 4 plus 5.2 times 10 to the power 4. Since the power is common, we can take it out and then add just the numbers instead of exponential numbers. Just add the numbers without any exponential. So this will become 5.2 plus 3.2 equals 8.4. So 8.4 times 10 to the power 4. This is the right answer. Next one, 6.6 times 10 to the power 5 plus 8.2 times 10 to the power 5. This one, same method. 8.2 plus 6.6 will give 14.8. So 14.8 times 10 to the power 5. So the next question is 3.5 times 10 to the power 8 plus 4.1 times 10 to the power 7, which is equals to, we're going to have to do something to make this 10 to the power 7. So what we're going to do is write 35. So in order to move decimal one place towards the right, this will decrease by 1. So 35 times 10 to the power 7 plus 4.1 times 10 to the power 7, which equals 35 plus 49.44.1 will give you 39.1. 39.1 times 10 to the power 7. This is the right answer. But we can rewrite this into 3.9 91 times 10 to the power 8. So this and this are equivalent, and we also can rewrite the above one as 1.48 times 10 to the power 6. Now the next question, no, this one is over, excuse me. The next problem set is finding the differences, finding subtraction problems. First one, 5.2 times 10 to the power 6 minus 3.2 times 10 to the power 6, which is equals to 5.2 minus 3.2 will give you 2. So will give you 2 times 10 to the power 6. That's the answer. Now the next problem, 4.9 times 10 to the power 5 minus 8.2 times 10 to the power 5 equals negative 3.3 times 10 to the power 5, because 8.2 minus 4.9 will give you 3.3 and the negative sign follows. Now the next question, 5.1 times 10 to the power 8 minus 3.9 times 10 to the power 7, and that will give us 51 minus 3.9, 51, rewriting 51 times 10 to the power 7, because decimal moved right side, one power will go down, minus will decrease, I mean 3.9 times 10 to the power 7. Now the answer will be 47.1 times 10 to the power 7, because 51 minus 3.9 will give you 47.1, and that can be rewritten as 4.71 times 10 to the power 8. Now this set is over. Now the next set, fifth one, find the following products. We're going to find products of these following problems. 2.5 times 10 to the power 3 times 4 times 10 to the power 5. Now since 10 to the power 5, 10 to the power 3 are different exponential numbers, we cannot take it out. See, in order to do that, this one is not in positive, this is product. So the 10 to the power 5 times 10 to the power 3 can be multiplied as this 10 to the power 8, and 4 times 2.5 will give us 2.5 times 4 will give us 10 to the power 8 times 10, because this one 4 times 2.5 is 10, which will give us 10 to the power 9. This is the answer. Now the next question, 3.6 times 10 to the power 6, 8 times 10 to the power 7 equals 3.6 times 10 to the power 6 and 80 times 10 to the power 6. Now 10 to the power 6 plus 10 to the power 6 will become 10 to the power 12, and 80 times 3.6, and that will give us 288 times 10 to the power 12, which will be 2.88 times 10 to the power 14. This is rewritten, so this is the answer. This one, 9 times 10 to the power 9 times 1.6 multiplied by 10 to the power negative 19. This problem, in order to, if 10 to the power negative 19, 10 to the power 9 multiplied will give us 10 to the power negative 10. Now 9 multiplied by 1.6, it will be 14.4 times 10 to the power negative 10, or rewritten as 1.44 times 10 to the power negative 9. This is the right answer. Now the next set of problems, find the following quotients. We're going to find the quotients. First one, 2.5 times 10 to the power 9 divided by 5 times 10 to the power 3. Now 2.5 divided by 5 will become 0.5. Excuse me. 10 to the power 9 divided by 10 to the power 3 will give us 10 to the power 6. So times 10 to the power 6 equals 5 times 10 to the power 5, as if it is rewritten. So the decimal point moves to the right side 1 by 1, and the power will decrease by 1. Now next question, 4 times 10 to the power negative 8 divided by 2 times 10 to the power positive 4. This one, 4 by 2 equals 2, negative 8, and 4, and the 10 power 4 goes to top, to the denominator, becomes 10 to the power negative 4. So negative 8 plus negative 4 will become negative 12, 10 to the power negative 12. The next question, excuse me, next question is 2 times 10 to the power 4 divided by 4 times 10 to the power 8 equals 0.5, 2 by 4 is 0.5 times 10 to the power negative 4. If it is rewritten, we get 5 times 10 to the power negative 5. The decimal place moves to right side by 1 and it should decrease by 1. So negative 4 minus negative 1, negative 4 and negative 1 will become negative 5. So this is the right answer. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.